Hey there, Lisa here from Echo Consulting. Today I want to show you how to lock rows and columns in Smartsheet. So you may be wondering, why would I want to do that? I've got this sample intake sheet here with some data on it that I'm working on. And I'm collaborating with some folks on this, so I want to have some data here protected. And that's the reason why I would want to lock a column or a row. Only folks that have admin access, admin permissions, are going to be able to edit that data once it's locked. So you may have other people on your team that you want to give that access to, and that's great. You can all collaborate and edit the data, and nobody else will be able to. So this is a really nice tool to have. Let's just say I want to lock this first row. This first project is the finance department. I don't want anybody to be accessing any of this information and changing anything. So I'm hovering over here, and you see these icons over on the left, and there's also a set of three dots here. And if you click on the three dots, it opens up a menu here. And from here, I can lock a row. And so what you see here is that padlock. And let's just go back over here, unlock it. Padlock is no longer showing up unless I hover over it. If I click the padlock from here, it locks it. And you can see that it's blue when it's locked. And I can click it again and unlock it. It gives me a little notification making sure that I'm aware that as a sheet admin I can do this, and confirming that I do actually want to unlock that row. If I want to do multiples, I can select the first one that I want to lock and then bring my mouse down to the last one I want to lock, hit shift and then click, and I can lock or unlock that range in the same way that I would have done it for a single. If I want to select projects 2, 3, and 7, I can hold down my command key on my Mac or control key on a PC, click the first one, what did I say, 2, 3, and 7, there we go. Oh, and I think I'm going to add 11 there as well. You can click the lock icon, you can click the three dots, you can also just right click and do it that way. Really, there's a number of ways to do it, whatever works best for your workflow. And you can do the very same thing with columns, right? So if I say I don't want anybody changing this project health column, you can see I've already got this locked. And so I'm going to come up to the three dots and I'm going to unlock it. I can also just right click on this and I can lock it again. Okay, if I want to choose a few, I click on one, come over to this range, select the range, hold down the shift key, and then lock or unlock. You won't usually see both of these options, but because this one is already locked, because Project Health is already locked, it's saying, do you want to lock them, the rest of them, or do you want to unlock them all? And I'm going to say unlock, and then I can go back here again and lock them all if I want. So you have options. Same way, if you want to just select a couple of them, just use that command key on the Mac or control on the PC, and it's the same process. All right, I hope that was helpful. If you'd like to learn more about how to use Smartsheet and tips and tricks, certainly follow us on our Echo YouTube channel. You can also visit our website, echoprojectmanagement.com, and feel free to reach out to us if you'd like some one-on-one help on making your Smartsheet experience better. Thanks for watching.